Don't we all love a delicious burger? Today, I will show you how you can make restaurant-style veggie burgers at home using a tawa. Let's get started. Here, in a pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread it and let the butter melt. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of jeera, 3 chopped garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. Saute for a few seconds and add 2 chopped onions. Once the onions start changing color, add 2 chopped green chilies, 2 chopped capsicums, 1 chopped tomato. Mix this properly. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Cover it and let it cook. Into this mixture, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce, 1 tablespoon butter. Then goes 100 grams paneer cubes. Combine the mixture well. Now add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix it properly. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoons chopped hara dhania. Stir this one last time. Now let's assemble the burgers. Take a burger bun and add the prepared mixture to it. Two slices of tomato, 2 slices of onion, grate some cheese and cover the bun. Let's assemble some more burgers. Our burgers are ready. Let's toast them. On a tawa, I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter and placing our burger on that. Make sure you toast them well on both sides. And with that, our homemade veggie burgers are ready. Serve them hot with some tomato ketchup and enjoy. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.